Struggling to connect Power BI to SQL Server? Let's fix that in 60 seconds. First, open Power BI and hit Get Data. Then select SQL Server Database. Enter your server IP or name. If you have a specific database, type it here too. I already had the SQL Server Management Studio opened, so I copied it from there directly and pasted it and hit OK. A navigator will be opened. Now pick your tables. Use Import for speed or DirectQuery for real-time data. Click Load and boom! Your SQL data is ready for some dashboard magic. Connect with us and subscribe for more videos.